Right, you can just see the difference. Can you see it in the camera seat? That's the difference. Yeah, there we go. Push that way, and it should just click straight out. Beautiful. Just like that, okay? Yo, now you can see it well. Oh, we bad, no? We bad.
Indigo Production.
Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are just brightening up the rear number plate lights, okay? So this kit here, these are canvas free ones, so no error codes hopefully. Okay, so let's just get this one out. So the way to do is push that way and it should just click straight out. Beautiful, just like that, okay? Now with the M140s, see how they already come LED'd. I'll turn it on in a bit. I'll change one of them and then you can see the difference. Okay. Now you're going to piss me off. Right. Now see it. It already comes LED. Now if you got like not an M140 or not the M Sport, they might come as a yellow bulb. Okay, even worse than this one. This is like the mid-range and then you can get an even brighter one. What we've done. Okay. So let's see how it's going in. Like that. Shoot, why did it not see that? Scared me, that's it. Scared me. Let's figure this out, sweet. Just want to see. Honestly,
yeah, I think so.
Right, so I don't know why. What's that for? I don't know why this is. But let me just push this one out. Now you can see the difference here. It's easy. Yeah, it's a lot brighter. Right, be vigilant. Right, I'll just put this one in. And then push it that way. Don't fucking piss me off. Oh wait, hold up. Fucking awesome. It's proper tight, everything. Now let me... Right, you can just see the difference. Can you see it in the camera seat? That's the difference. Yeah, there we go. I don't actually know what this is, Sadiq. I'm not 100% sure as to what it is. We'll get the next one. Maybe that's just an add-on for a different car. It looks like a 210 bulb. 210 insert to a 210. All you will need is just this. Of course, fucking... I'm gonna go in and force it in. Not fucking bush. And just like that. We are golden city. We are brighter. We are brighter. How we looking, see? Get a little stand up view. There she go. Now you can see her well. Oh, we bad, no? We bad. Cheers for watching. I shall see you in the next one.